baby, do you know? We are making stockings today in trees for you. For you. I said for you. Yeah, for you. Hey, did you hear that? We are making stockings. Oh, okay. Then let's see the intro. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe because we would love to see you coming back. And today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful trees to set up your own very own handmade Christmas town or Christmas village. The link for the video where I made this house is down in the description box below, in case you want to check it out. This turned out really amazing, mind-blowing. I love how the trees look. It looks so glittery and silvery and like snow. Everything is so perfect and beautiful. So without wasting any time, let's get to the video. So I took this velvet cloth. It's actually a leftover from a shirt of mine. So I'm folding it in half. I want to make 3 stockings today. One for me, one for Daisley, and one for Piku. I'm going to make 3 decorative stockings instead of big and chunky ones. So first I'm drawing a rough shape. I'm drawing it over the back side of the cloth because we are going to cut it from here and stitch it over the back, so we will turn it over and see the front in the final product. Someone very close to my heart once told me, instead of buying something from the shop, try to make it yourself and believe that it will turn out as beautiful as you are. And today I'm going to tell you this. Try to make it yourself and believe that it will come out as beautiful as you are. So here I am showing my stitching skills. I have remarkable sewing skills. That's why my mom never lets me touch her machine. Just make a lock and then zigzag motion with the needle and then pull the needle out. I just put the needle inside and pull it over and pull the thread out. So after that I'll finish all these stockings, and then for the decorative beautiful top part I'm taking this net piece and taking the length of doubled of my stocking size, folding it over, and then as it dries you can also stitch it. I just glued it, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I have to explain a lot. Now I'm gonna wrap it around the top part. Again, you can stitch it here, but I'm gonna use my hot glue. I really loved how they beautifully turned out. I'm just trying to explain a lot. And if you are liking the video so far, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to join our beautiful family and enjoy the festive season. By the way, my kitties were so excited for this DIY and they were completely participating in it. Like, to be honest, they disturbed me a lot. So at the last step, I just glued some pearls. You can stitch it again, but I just glued them on because I'm not going to use them in real. just for display. You can also make a garland out of it. Now I am going to make some trees for my house. The link for the house is in the description box. I'm taking this fringe. This is a beautiful lace, and sticking it up with the glue gun and wrapping it all over the tree, and time to time I just added some hot glue. And I am so thankful to you all for the support and love you're giving. And here I'm cutting the top and gluing off. You can also make a beautiful little tree topper with some pearls joined together and just put them on the top, but instead I just sprinkle some pearls around the top. Instead of making a bunch at the tip, I just kind of sprinkle them. And here I am making the stem of it, and this is my Blackie. She's basically black, so I call her Blackie, and sometimes her name is Kai. Yeah, she's Kai. So as I told you, they were so excited and super active in this DIY. I don't know why, but they were just so excited. Here are the pearls I'm showing it now. Okay, so then for the next tree, I'm using this silver thread and cotton balls. I'm taking small cotton balls. I think I saw some kind of woolly tree in the range or the next house. And then wrapping the thread over, gluing it. I couldn't touch it, it was so hot. So this looks like I don't know, a snowball or something. And now a little bow, just to make a set with my house. And made another cone with brown paper and started to add my balls eventually. So sorry for being off camera. I just didn't notice it until I was almost done. Yeah, that's life. So after this, I made another tree with a fringe, a smaller one. You can also set up a whole range with it. And that's how it looks. That's the final look of it. I also made some poles, some candle stands. These are the little pink glittery seats chair set with my house. Also there is a little deer, but my deer is actually sleeping. And this is my trees. That's the house. Link is in the description box down below. Make sure to comment down and tell me how do you like it. And you can also see the garland and the stockings. I just put them on a ribbon